The market's tanking. It's at minus 40. No, it's Mars everything. Down to 40.
With stock charts showing a recent dip followed by a green bounce. Bold text, buy the dip. Host, SoFi stock has just dropped nearly 40% in a single month. While most investors are panicking and selling, Wall Street giants like JP Morgan and Citizens have just issued a massive upgrade. They're calling this the entry point of a lifetime, with a price target of $30.
SoFi stock hits our $30 target,
actually
surging
a
on strong
falling
earnings.
knife?
Excellent
Or is
momentum.
this your
Volume
last
is up,
chance to
adjusting
buy it
models
cheap
now.
before it rockets to new highs? Today, we're breaking down the data that the bears are missing. SoFi app interface, icons for banking, investing, and loans. First, let's understand what makes SoFi different. Unlike your traditional brick-and-mortar banks, SoFi is a digital-first one-stop shop for everything money. We're talking checking, savings, investing, and lending, all in one app. But here's the secret sauce. SoFi is a chartered bank. This is huge because it allows them to hold deposits and lend their own money, which keeps overhead costs incredibly low compared to legacy banks. While other fintech companies are struggling with slowing growth, SoFi just obliterated records, adding over 3.5 million new members last year alone. They aren't just a fintech. They are a growth machine. JP Morgan and Citizens logo with $30 target. Now let's talk numbers. Why are analysts suddenly so bullish? The JP Morgan upgrade. They just moved SoFi to overweight, stating that SoFi's momentum is undeniable. While other banks are seeing money leave, SoFi is seeing record deposits. The Citizens report. They set a $30 price target, suggesting a 44% upside from current levels. They believe the recent sell-off was just a market overreaction, not a fundamental problem with the company. Institutional buying. Big money is moving in. Institutional ownership is at an all-time high, with firms like Alliance Asset Management buying millions of dollars worth of shares recently. Financially, SoFi is shifting from just a lender to a services platform. This means more stable, recurring revenue and higher profit margins. Profits are expected to skyrocket by 72% this year. Comment below graphic. Before we get to my final verdict, I want to hear from you. The market is currently divided. Some see SoFi reaching $50, while others think it will stay under 20. What is your price target for SoFi by the end of 2026? Are you buying this dip or are you waiting for it to drop further? Let me know in the comments. I'll be replying to as many as I can. Host. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to smash that like button. It helps the channel immensely. And if you want to stay ahead of the market with more stock deep dives, hit subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. Remember, this is not financial advice, so always do your own research. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.